Here's a fun and easy craft for Father's Day. All you need is some Crayola Model Magic, markers in any color, and a metallic marker, and you'll also need some scissors. Open your bag and pull off about 2/3 of the clay. Put the rest in the bag so it doesn't dry out. Roll the Model Magic into a smooth ball. Then we'll make a pinch pot. So put your thumb into the center and then squeeze and turn until you've gone all the way around. Now I'm pinching it again, and I want the bottom to be flat and the sides to be straight. If the top of your mug is uneven, an easy way to fix that is to tap it on the table. Now we're going to make the foot of the mug. Pull some more clay out of the bag, roll it into a smooth ball, and roll it out into a coil. Flatten the coil with your finger. Now cut the ends straight with the scissors. Place the foot onto the bottom of the mug, and you want it to be a little bit less wide than the bowl of the mug. Take some more clay, and now we're going to make the handle of the mug. Same thing, roll it out into a coil, but this time it's a wider coil. Then flatten with your fingers. Now let's move on to the Victory Cup. The Victory Cup is 2 parts that I let dry, and then I glue them together. Take out a good sized piece of the clay. Once again, we're going to make a pinch pot, but this time we want it to be kind of cone shaped. So I'm putting my thumb in a little bit deeper, and I'm using my left hand to squeeze it and shape it. It's almost there, but now I'm squeezing the bottom with my left hand to get it a little bit longer. Take another piece of clay, and now we'll make the foot of the Victory Cup. So I'm pinching gently with my fingers. And now I want to open up the bottom. So I'm kind of making like a little mini pinch pot. I put my thumb in there and I squeeze and turn. All right, that's looking good, but it's a little too tall. So just snip off some of the height. Now I'm going to let them dry, and I'll glue them together later. Take another piece of clay, and now we're going to make the handles. Roll it out into a coil. I'm making 2 handles, and I want them to look the same. I want them to be symmetrical. So I'm going to cut my clay so it's the same exact length, and then I'll attach my handles. Flatten the coils with your finger. And attach. Now you need to put it aside to dry. Place it so that the top of the victory cup is on your table. It's been a day and a half and everything is dry. So now I'm going to use some clear glue, but you could use white school glue. I'm going to put a dot there and press the two together, wipe away the excess glue, and it sets up pretty quickly. So while that's drying, now I'm going to decorate the mug that I made. So I'm using a gold metallic Posca marker, but you could use a Sharpie metallic marker, that will work as well. And I'm drawing just a simple crown. Use your Sharpie or other marker to write the word Dad. And you can also put decorations on your mug. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have fun making a Dad's Day mug and victory cup. Your dad is going to love getting something handmade from you.